forwarders. And of course, TFC pay-per-view.
All the way!
Unless mapapabagsak niya siya dyan.
Yes, to be rocked repeatedly in the middle rounds. Nagsimula ang turning point in round number 10, Wally. Nagsimula mag-boxing si Bradley. Moving away from the Pacquiao. Ang magandang condition niya. Bradley looking to finish strong. Dito sa round dito.
Kaya si Cotto at si Margarito. So, yeah.
Wala yung pressure kay Pacquiao.
Body shot by Bradley. Manny's right eye is almost shut. He got caught with that left so many times.
Whoa!
Good job by Bradley.
Good combination by Bradley again.
Nawala ang pressure. Nawala ang higpit na suntok kay Pacquiao. Kung pagkakulit mo ng kanyang-kaliwa.
Yun.
Ay parang bigla nawala in the last 3 rounds. Or at least in the last 2.5 rounds. Dahil meron, oh, good left kay Pacquiao.
Susunod-sunodin na yan. Sige na, yun. Sige, sunod-sunodin mo na. Laking tao eh, no? Like double him.
Minute and 25 seconds remaining in this fight.
So there's no combine in his back. Si Bradley, para makaiwas doon sa kaliwan ni Pacquiao. Nawala yung 1-2 combinations ni Manny, how he put his punches together. Naging one left na time na lang sa Pacquiao. So, nawala yung pressure. Big left na Pacquiao. Less than a minute ago, tingnan mo ito.
Come on, Manny's going there.
Come on, Manny.
Stoking.
Stoking. She's been on the left. Bradley moving away.
Yeah, Jesus Bradley. Let's one connect to that left of his.
30 seconds to go.
Whoa!
Body combination. Binibitawan ni Manny.
And Manny is a little off. His timing is a little
No,
off.
in the last 3 rounds.
Yes.
Last 3 rounds.
I think he's hurt, Manny.
Come on, Stoking. Keep going forward. Keep going forward.
Last 15
Run there.
seconds.
Superman punch. Superman punch.
Whoa! Whoa! Kabit na na!
Yeah,